Here's how to delete your watch history on YouTube. Now I have my iPhone and Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. Now, let's say you hopped into a video, like one of my old videos, and watched it, but you wanted to delete that from that history. The easiest way to do that is to tap on the U button at the bottom right. Again, on iPhone or Android, and you can see your history pops up here. If you wanted to delete one specific video, you can tap on the three dots right to the next of the title and hit remove from watch history. However, let's say you wanted to delete out your entire watch history. The easiest way to do that is to tap on the gear icon at the top right of your iPhone or Android, and then scroll down and tap on manage all history on your iPhone or Android. Scroll down again and it will show you your watch history here. For individual videos, you can tap the little X to delete it. You can delete the entire watch history for today by tapping the X right there. Or you can also, instead of that, tap on the delete button at the bottom right and choose delete all time. This will delete out your entire watch history in addition to your search history as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.